2 women from Delhi were allegedly abducted and gang-raped by 5 men in Goa on Monday. All the 5 accused have been arrested and charged with gang rape, kidnapping and robbery. According to reports, the victims, aged 34 years and 20 years, were on their way to Anjuna Beach on Monday evening when the 5 accused, posing as policemen, stopped their cab. The men, Ajay Kumar Kushwaha, 39, Jeevan Pawar, 26, Nadeem Khan, 28, Trevor Joseph, 27, and Kamlesh Chaudhary, 21, reportedly took them to an apartment in Khobrawado, Calangute where they sexually assaulted them. On June 1, at around 8:45 p.m., the 5 accused, posing as policemen from SID and Narcotics Cell of the Goa Police, approached the victims. They confined the 2 women and the taxi driver in 2 separate rooms at Ivy Retreat, Khobrawado, Calangute until June 2 morning. They assaulted them with wooden sticks. The accused took turns to sexually abuse the victims. They snatched their cell phones and asked the taxi driver to withdraw cash from a nearby ATM. The driver managed to give them the slip and lodged a complaint with the local police station. We then raided the apartment and arrested them.